Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this update today, and I wanted to show you one candle that really is going to be making a difference from today. In the next 13 hours, we're about to see a closing of a candle that maybe starts the fall down to 1701. Previously, I've given you the rising wedge here, and the rising wedge target is actually down 1701. It's actually in play unless invalidated by coming up to 4158. Watch the yesterday's update. I've actually talked about all the scenarios of invalidation. Otherwise, if it doesn't happen, then we're moving down 1701. All in all, the summary of that was moving up to 4158 is going to really destroy the journey to fall down. And if you don't make it up to 4158, that is pretty much going to show that we're probably going to be moving to 1701. At this point of time, we have a little bit of an issue though. This is going to be one candle and second candle. Now I also do a lot of candle reading in my course, and this two here are known as tweezer top. Okay, now if you go into Google, I want to show you how they look like. Previously, this is a tweezer bottom where it signifies a reversal to the upside. Unfortunately, what you have is a tweezer top which actually looks something like this. Okay, now this actually has a wake up here and then looks like this, but it doesn't matter. If it actually even looks like this, still is the same thing. So you have the tweezer top, and there are so many examples you guys can see for yourself. You can notice how many examples these are going to be. Now the moment this is going to be a tweezer top right now, and this shows that from here you may start to go and push to the upside. So be very careful. Again, this is not looking so good, and unfortunately you also have a little bit of flat divergence, which is a bearish one here. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.